Requirements traceability is a very important topic in any ISO 26262 compliant development project. My name is Marcus from Berlin and I'm here in Detroit for the Eclipse with my colleague Tabo from Oldenburg, and we want to discuss 3 things to improve your requirements traceability process.
Yes, and for me the first and most important thing is to ensure a direct communication, a direct API-based communication between the tools. Because if your communication relies on exchange formats that you need to import and export, this is a very error-prone process and it's really hard to keep all information up to date.
Yes, very good point. And I think number 2 is already a bit related, and this is bidirectional traceability. So of course you want to be able to import, for instance, your requirements into your test tool, but you also want to be able to send the test results back into the ALM PLM world so that you have a sort of global reporting to see which requirement already has a test case and which requirement is successfully tested or maybe failed.
And number 3, make sure to have diff support, because your requirements are bound to change over time and you will always want to make sure to be able to identify which artifacts need to be adapted then.
Like the test cases, right?
Yeah, definitely, like test cases, because if you have a diff report, it's super easy to find out which test cases you need to work on, and that allows you to focus and save some time.
And actually you did a full webinar on this where you showed a hands-on demo of this whole process right in the tool. So go check that out and please follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube for more videos.